Aloha kakahya ka. Anat mabilang itan? September 9. Nag-check-in kami dito ay Marriott Hotel dito Virginia Beach Boardwalk. Nakang-angin ita, super. Yung kastil lang hanatan at panawan eh. Likan da kami may isang bed, talima kami namin. Allow me about 400 square feet or less, a little bit. Da kami 11th floor. Kastil lang anak. Dati boardwalk. 3 miles from 2nd Street to 40th Street. 28 feet wide kami dito. Tapos dati beach front na for about 60 feet. Beach front. Napintas. Yung naka-liblibot siya. Kita yung nagijay barko dito. Container, kargana. Class CMA. Dijay. May isang kurang ship dijay. Daman container dijay. At yung dog ito eh. Beach front. Alright, thank you for watching. See you again.